Let's look at the effect. Teach you how to install a BMW series atmosphere light. Now let's remove the cover. Here's a screw. There's another one here, and then there's one here, and there's 3 of them. It can be removed directly after removal. Pull it out here. There's a buckle in there. Pull. Okay. Pull down here. It's that simple. Disconnect plug. The OBD plug needs to be put back from the bottom up. The line goes this way, so we need to tap this down first. Just shake it up. Some of the clasp will stick to it. Just take it out. Came out. Put it back in place. Just put it back on later. This is going to pull straight out. Pull. Alright, so we can get it out. Most BMs are made of this material, so we're gonna need a knife to separate this. Split down the middle. If you tear it by hand, you get your hands dirty. The best way to do this is to cut slowly with a knife. The center console is, lift it up and then push it forward. You need to slow down here. Here's a screw for a T20. Rev. With a tool. Plug in here. Prop up. That's right. Mounting light bar. Stick it vertically. It's too bright. Flat stick. Just right. This is the light for the storage box. Go over here. I'll cut it with a knife. Make a small hole. And put the light through. Okay. Press in. Line up the wiring harness. Can't get through here. You can see it over there. Just pull it over. Yes, that's right. Use a size bar sleeve tool. Take out the screws. Moving on up. Take out. And then pull up. The plug is separated. Pull the harness over here. Pull. It's up here. Come through like this. Plug in here. Free position. Insertion. Need to match. There are two. Just plug it in. Now we need to get this out first. Slowly like this. Take out. And then corresponding color. Red. Okay, anyway, the same thing here. Corresponding color. Red, green, blue, black. And plug it back in. That's right. This. Plug back to. Plug. Press down. Put it in last. Pull the screws on. Okay. Same with the other 3 doors. Follow the line of the original car. Tie up. It won't be blocked by the lifting glass. Slap it back here. So we have our wiring harness lined up. Both sides are the same. Now let's take the back line. This. Pull it out. Line up the wiring harness. Put on the bottom. Come this way. Pull out. The same goes for the back. Use a tool. It's okay. Tie it up and pull it over. There's a hole in the back door here. From inside here to over there. And then install it. Put the tape back on. Pull the plug out. Pull it up from here. Plug in the interface pair. Ambient light box connected. Now we use computer programming. Write the program in. This allows the screen to control the color. Let's look at the effect.